Why I found them on the ground. Here they are. All of them. There's only 3 and they're all dead. So maybe they're trying to fly and they jump from their nest and they can't fly. There's the birds. I picked them up from the ground because they started to get ants all over them, and also the flies is everywhere. Um, it's just really sad. It's just really sad that they died, and they're kind of big already. They should be able to fly already, because look at them. They already have feeders and everything, but I don't know, they could have disease or something. That's why the mama, or maybe the mama kicked them out from the nest because they're sick or something. But it's just really sad. It's so sad.